So for this example, we will show how to create a data set containing information of the following variable. We'll have the sex. We have many individuals that will call the sex, age of the individual. We'll have a salary. Another variable will be the country of the individual, and we'll have a COVID variable that will see or show if whether or not individual have a COVID-19. And for country, there are Central African countries such as Cameroon, Chad, Central African Republic, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon, as well as Democratic Republic. So how to create such a variable in SPSS? Our first variable that we are going to create is just sex of individual. So we create first of all the variable that will be the identification of. So we can create our sex variable here in this cells. We'll create we'll type sex. You can see that when we click on enter, the default value for all these have been created automatically. The type is numeric. The numeric type is by default type. The width is 8 decimal 2. Label of the variable, we will put the label of our variable here. So for the numeric, we will keep the type as numeric. The width will just put here 1. We use the width to 1 only because sex, for example, we have two modality, 1 for male and 2 for female. So here we have number of decimal. We don't need to have decimal here, so we'll put 1 here. Decimal we put 0. If we just have put 1 as width here. So for label we put here sex of the individual. Our second variable for the value set, we will define a value set here. Value set we will have here 1. Value will be 1 for male. Put on add. The second value will be 2 for female. We put on add. Modify male. Put on change. So we have also defined value set for our variable sex. Our second variable that we will have the age. By default value has been generated. We'll let it as it is. Change width as well as decimal, but we will keep it like it is. For the label, we'll put here age of the individual. No value set here. So our third variable will be salary. We put here salary. Numeric 8 will put here monthly salary of the individual. Another variable will be the country, and as country, as we said, we have 6 countries: Cameroon, Chad, Central African Republic, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon and Democratic Republic of Congo. That are Central Africa country. So we'll put here country, numerical, decimal only 0, decimal. If will be 1. Label will be the origin country. We'll put here origin country. 1 will Cameroon. At 2. Second country will Chad. Our third country, Equatorial Guinea. At our third country is not Equatorial Guinea, but Central Africa Republic. I click on change. Okay. Our fourth country will be Equatorial Guinea. Fifth country will be Gabon. Finally, the sixth it will be Democratic Republic of Congo. So fifth Gabon. Sixth country will be the Democratic Republic of Congo. Click on add and then click on OK. So we have already created for first variable. Our last variable will be the variable on COVID. No decimal. 1 as a width. Whether individual have COVID or not. And for this variable, we'll find the variable first label 1. 1 will be for yes or have COVID. 0 for do not have COVID. Add, then click on OK. So when you have defined a different characteristic and variable like here, you can click on this icon here, just behind edit, record what you are already done. Click on save to save all the work you have done so far. Click on save. And we'll ask you to record the data file that you can select on your computer and browse in order to record in the given data set. I will call it COVID_data. Choose option SPSS 7.7.0 COVID_data. Then click on save. And our data set have been saved on. And here you can see that it is possible now to type your data. We go on data view. You can see that variable, sex, age, salary, country, and COVID has been created. And the next step here is just to type in data. So we can type here 1645, salary 90, country 2, COVID 0, past previous second individual, sex can be 2, for example, age 40, salary 2050, country 1, COVID 1, have COVID, and so on. You can type in your data.